Across Ontario, more workers are joining the skilled trades as industries in the north become part of the future of electric.
YouTube, what's going on? YC Imaging here with another video, and today we're going to be reviewing the Lumix G85 by Panasonic. A quick specs rundown on this camera: it does 4K up to 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second up to 1080. It has in-body image stabilization.
So recently I was watching a YC Imaging video from 2017, and I discovered a tip on how to improve the ISO on my Panasonic G85, and I wanted to share that tip with you guys. If you're new to the channel, what's up? I'm S.420, this is Passion Video Productions. On this channel I post tutorials, tips, reviews, and behind the scenes segments for beginners with video production. If that's something that's of interest to you, consider subscribing and hitting that little bell so you get notified when I post all future content. The tip that I have for you guys today wasn't from YC in that video himself, but actually from one of his viewers in the comments section. Revelation 12 Ministries wrote, "Go into the menu and you can set the ISO EV increments. I just found this out on my G7s. Turn the mode to camera, manual, aperture, shutter, etc. There's a record menu that you cannot access in video mode. Go into ISO increments and change to 1/3 EV instead of 1 EV. Now some of you guys might be thinking, okay S. Why do we need to change this setting? What's it gonna do if we do change it? By changing this setting on your G85, it's gonna further push the capabilities of the camera, allowing for the exposure values to be dialed in more accurately. If you're not really sure what I'm talking about, that's okay. You can check out this video here, or you can click the link in the description for a more in-depth explanation on the exposure triangle and how ISO, shutter speed, and aperture can be used to affect your overall image. First, turn your camera's dial mode to manual, aperture priority, shutter priority, or programmed auto. It's important that we're in one of these settings because if we're not, it's not going to open up that record menu that we need. Second, go into that record menu that we just unlocked and cycle over to the ISO increments. From there, you can change it from 1 EV to 1/3 EV, and that's going to do it for you. As you can see from the comparisons, we now have more flexibility within this function of the camera. This feature is going to come in handy during situations where you have limited external light sources. Let me know down in the comments if you guys already knew about this hack. I sure didn't. I typed a few searches into YouTube about this particular ISO hack after I read that comment, and I wasn't able to find any videos on this specific topic. So I made this video right now because of that. I also want to shout out YC Imaging and Revelation 12 Ministries for that tip that inspired this video as well. So that's going to wrap up this video for today. Until next time, keep that chin up, stay positive, and hit that record button. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you wanted to check out that exposure triangle video I mentioned earlier, you can click here, or you can click here for a video that YouTube thinks you might like, and I'll see you over there. All right, peace.